Ready to unlock the power of your new RBC Visa card? Let's get it activated in minutes. Activating your RBC Visa is a breeze, and we've got all the straightforward methods right here to get you spending securely as fast as possible. First up, the quickest way for many activate online, head over to the official RBC Royal Bank website. You'll need to log into your existing online banking profile. If you don't have one, you'll need to register first, which is also a simple process. Once logged in, look for a section like Card Services or a direct prompt to activate new card. Click on it, and you'll likely be asked to enter the security code, often found on the back of your card, and possibly the expiry date. Carefully enter your new RBC Visa card number, the expiry date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code, also known as the CVV, typically found on the back of your card. Double-check everything for accuracy before confirming. That's it for online. A confirmation message will appear, and your card is now ready to go. Prefer using your phone? The RBC Mobile app is another fantastic option if you haven't already. Download the app from your device's app store and log into your online banking access. Within the app, typically under Card Services or a similar menu, you'll find an option to activate your new card. Just like online, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Enter your card number, expiry date, and the security code. Confirm the details, and you'll receive a confirmation within the app that your RBC Visa is activated. For those who prefer a personal touch, a quick phone call is also an excellent activation method. Find the toll-free number explicitly for card activation on the sticker that came with your new card, or on the back of your existing RBC cards. Alternatively, you can find it on the RBC website. When you call, follow the automated prompts. You'll be asked to provide your card number and other verifying information, like your date of birth or postal code, to confirm your identity. Listen carefully to the instructions, and once your identity is verified and your card details are entered correctly, your RBC Visa will be activated instantly. Now that your RBC Visa is activated, you can confidently start making purchases. Remember to keep your card details secure. Enjoy using your new card.